Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Healthy Living Basics. It's me. Today, I will show you some super cute nail designs that are perfect for short nails. They are super easy to do, and even if you don't have any nail art experience, you can totally rock these looks. So let's get started. Look number 1, Milky White Tips. For this look, you will need a white nail polish and a clear top coat. Start by painting your nails with the white polish. Let it dry, and then add a little extra white polish at the tip of your nail. You don't want to have to worry about being too neat here, because we're going for a natural and slightly imperfect look. Once you've added the white tips, let it dry, and then apply the top coat. This will give your nails a shiny, milky look. You can also add a matte top coat if you prefer a more subtle finish. To make the design even cuter, you can add a little heart sticker at the tip of your nail. These are optional, so feel free to add them if you want. Look number 2, Minimalist Stripes. For this look, you will need to nail polish colors of your choice. I'm using a nude color and a light blue color. Start by painting your nails with the nude polish. Once it's dry, take a thin brush and dip it into the light blue polish. Trace down the center of your nail from the tip to the base. Let it dry and then repeat on the other side. If you're feeling extra, you can add another stripe in the middle. Finish it off with a top coat. And there you have it! A super cute and minimalist nail design. Love what you see? Hit that subscribe button and join our community for more awesome content every week. Look number 3, French Manicure Variation. For this look, you will need a nude nail polish, a white polish, and a top coat. Start by painting your nails with the nude polish. Once it's dry, take a thin brush and dip it into the white polish. Trace a line along the tip of your nail, just like you did for the previous design. But this time, instead of tracing down the center, you're going to trace a little further away from the center, creating a slight gap between the white line and the tip of your nail. Let it dry, and then finish it off with the top coat. This variation of the French manicure is super cute, and it looks so elegant on short nails. Look number 4, Color Block Party. For this look, you will need 3 or more nail polish colors. I'm using pastel pink, baby blue, and a lavender color. Start by painting the base of your nail with the pastel pink polish. Let it dry, and then add a little piece of tape to create a line down the center of your nail. Remove the tape and paint the other side with the baby blue polish. Repeat the process with the lavender color, placing the tape a little further up on the nail. You should end up with 3 blocks of color. Finish it off with a top coat and voila! A super fun and colorful nail design. Look number 5, Double Trouble. For this look, you will need to nail polish colors. I'm using a light pink color and a white polish. Start by painting your nails with the light pink polish. Once it's dry, take a thin brush and dip it into the white polish. Trace down the center of your nail, making 2 lines instead of 1. Let it dry, and then add a little white polish at the tip of your nail, connecting the 2 lines. Finish it off with a top coat, and you have a super cute Double Trouble nail design. And that's it! Ladies, 5 super cute nail designs that are perfect for short nails. Remember, you don't have to be a pro at nail art to rock these looks. Have fun and be creative. And do you want to forget to show off your nails on social media using the hashtag so we can see them? Don't miss out. Follow the channel now and turn on notifications to catch every new video as soon as it drops. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.